puzzle, 2 pieces. One silver is like a big show, golden piece it's a small shark, and the goal is to free the small shark. How to do it? Really easy. First we start to push on the head of the small shark, just push until we are in this position, if I can say. Now we need to have the right orientations for the tail. We just turn until we have these positions. Now the tail going to move from right to left, and we're going to try to find the thin part of the golden piece. Donc just move around, try to push, we are here. Now we rotate the golden piece to have these orientations, it's like a C. We pull the shark, and like you can see, we have successfully freed the little shark. To put back the shark in the jaw, really easy. That's the orientations of the silver piece, orientations of the golden piece, the head going to pass first. This way. Now we need to have the right orientations for the tail, donc we turn until we have these orientations, and now we're going to move the golden piece from the left to the right, trying to find the thin part of the golden piece. Okay, just move until we are here. Now we need to have the right orientations, donc we turn the piece, we have again a C, and now we're going to bring back the head of the small shark through the jaw. Donc, just pull a few on the tail and you push, and like you can see, we have put back the puzzle in its original positions. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment, and until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen.